The P0456 trouble code signals a small leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission control system. This system captures fuel vapors to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. The code is triggered when the engine control module detects a leak in the system, typically around 0.020 inches or larger in size. Addressing the P0456 code is important for both environmental reasons, as it reduces harmful emissions, and for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. The EVAP system consists of several key components working together to manage fuel vapors. At the core is the fuel tank, which stores gasoline and connects to the gas cap that seals it tightly. Fuel vapors travel through connecting hoses to the charcoal canister, which absorbs and stores the vapors when the engine is off. From the canister, vapors flow through another hose to the purge valve, also called the vapor management valve, which controls when vapors are released back into the engine. The engine control module continuously monitors the system for leaks by pressurizing it and checking for any pressure drops that would indicate a problem. A properly functioning EVAP system is crucial for reducing harmful emissions and maintaining environmental standards. The most frequent cause of a P0456 code is a loose or faulty gas cap, accounting for about 60% of cases according to repair studies. This simple component can cause significant vapor leaks if not properly sealed. Other common causes include cracked or damaged EVAP hoses that connect system components. These flexible tubes can degrade over time due to heat, vibration, or chemical exposure. A malfunctioning purge valve, also called the vapor management valve, can also trigger the code by failing to properly control fuel vapor flow. Less commonly, leaks can occur in the fuel tank itself or its associated components, though this typically requires professional inspection. Identifying the source of the leak is the first step in resolving the issue, often requiring specialized diagnostic tools like smoke machines. Regular inspection of EVAP components can prevent many P0456 codes from appearing, with experts recommending checks during routine maintenance. Begin by visually inspecting your gas cap. Ensure it's properly tightened and that the rubber seal isn't cracked or damaged. Next, examine the EVAP hoses for any signs of cracks, wear, or disconnection. These hoses are typically located near the engine and fuel tank. A simple visual inspection can often reveal the source of the leak. If a visual inspection doesn't reveal the leak, a professional mechanic can perform a smoke test. This involves injecting smoke into the EVAP system and observing where it escapes, pinpointing the leak's location. This method is highly effective for finding small, hard-to-detect leaks. Expect to pay between $50 and $200 for parts and labor at a repair shop. The repair process depends on the source of the leak. Replacing a gas cap is a simple and inexpensive fix. Just tighten or replace the cap to seal the fuel tank. For damaged hoses, you can replace them individually or the entire section of the EVAP system. A faulty purge valve will also need to be replaced to restore proper vapor flow. After any repair, clear the P0456 code using an OBD2 scanner to reset the system. After making repairs, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0456 code from your vehicle's computer. Then, drive your vehicle for a few days to see if the code reappears. If the code stays cleared, the repair was successful. If it returns, there may be another leak, or the initial repair was not sufficient. Continuous monitoring of the system's status is important. Regular vehicle maintenance, including inspections of the EVAP system, can help prevent P0456 codes. Replacing aging hoses and ensuring a tight gas cap can save you time and money in the long run. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostic tools that can predict leaks based on sensor data, potentially eliminating manual diagnostics. Keeping your vehicle maintained helps reduce hydrocarbon emissions.